Welcome back to our channel Travel Now. Today we are in one of the largest and most popular cities in Switzerland, also considered the world's most expensive city. Welcome to Zurich. Zurich is also known as the financial capital of Switzerland. Zurich is a mix of modern infrastructure combined with a medieval old world charm. In this video, you will see the best of Zurich, so stay tuned. Zurich is excellent to visit any time of the year, depending on your preference. There are over 1200 public drinking fountains across Zurich to drink the fresh mountain water. You can start exploring Zurich from its city center. You will reach Paradeplatz, and there are two world-famous Swiss banks on this square. The one is Credit Suisse and the other one is UBS. After that, you will reach one of the poshest streets in the world, the Bahnhofstrasse. Most luxury designer brands are available on this street, like the world-famous Louis Vuitton. Even if you don't want to shop on this street, you will enjoy a walk to look at the high-end brand stores. Zurich is famous for its Swiss banks, chocolates and Swiss watches, and you can find world's most expensive watches here. You must explore Zurich's historic and beautiful old town. This is a very pretty pedestrian area and you will love to walk here for hours. There are countless galleries and shops where you can pick up some Swiss chocolate and delicious cheese. You will find lots of restaurants and local galleries here, making the old town very picturesque and beautiful. The old town has many charming old buildings with interesting shops and cafes. You can take amazing pictures of yourself on the beautiful bridges of Limmat River. The Limmat River flows through the city of Zurich. Limmat River has crystal clear water, and if weather allows, you can enjoy swimming in this river as well. There are few famous churches in Zurich. The first one is the Fromester Church. And opposite that, the second one is the Grossmünster Church, which was built in 1220. A little ahead of the city center comes the Lindenhof Hill Park, where locals come to play chess and tourists come to enjoy the finest views of Zurich city and take great pictures as well. Then it's time to visit the beautiful Lake Zurich. You can walk alongside the Zurich Lake. You will find lots of swans, increasing the beauty of Zurich Lake. Zurich is equally beautiful at night. You can have a walk and enjoy the night view. If you are coming to Zurich via train, you will reach Zurich HB station, which is well connected with all major countries in Europe. There is a large display where you can see the schedule of trains. You will find an SSP kiosk where you can get information regarding trains. There are several ticket machines from where you can buy tickets and make payments using credit cards or cash. Tourist service is also available. It is very helpful for international tourists. Downstairs there is a shopping center and all types of shops from grocery stores to McDonald's are available here. And this market opens on Sundays as well. Zurich has excellent public transport, including trams, boats, and buses. You can take public transport pass, which is valid for 24 hours and costs around €10. Tram rides in Zurich are fun. You can take unlimited tram rides using the day pass and enjoy great views of Zurich city. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. It really motivates us to make more videos for you. Thanks for watching.